Hello and welcome to my video on the use of social media for academic purposes. My name is Sophie Galvan and I will be your host for this informational video. Connected learners develop networks and co-construct knowledge from wherever they live. Connected learners collaborate online through the use of social media to interact with colleagues around the globe, engage in conversations in safe online spaces, and bring what they learn online back to their classrooms, schools, and districts. The learning community that I have chosen is K-12 educators. The topic that we will be addressing is teacher collaboration, and the technology tool that I will be using to introduce the topic will be Teams. How will I foster collaboration? 1. Perspective. Respect everyone's values, accept each individual's personal views. 2. Encourage. Innovative thinking requires creativity, therefore it is crucial to accept the freedom of expression. 3. Establish goals. Make goals clear, observable, and measurable. 4. Collaboration recognition. Rewards for the efforts to collaborate. How will I build relationships? 1. Reduce conflicts. Encourage mutual understanding. 2. Create communication through connection. Provide a multi-use platform. And 3. Build trust. Create an environment in which individuals can feel safe and accepted. How will I incorporate common practices, activities, knowledge, and strategies? Communicate a clear vision. Establish a common form of communication. Assign collaborative leaders. Assign a credible leader that is capable of leading a group. Create opportunities for collaboration. Bring in a spokesperson to introduce tools. Assign a collaboration tool. Assign each individual a role within the tool. And reinforce and revisit. Create checkpoints. Microsoft Teams is a collaborative workspace within Microsoft 365 that acts as a central hub for workplace conversations, collaborative teamwork, video chats, and document sharing, all designed to aid worker productivity in a unified suite of tools. Starting a new collaboration tool can be unwelcoming and scary, but before introducing any new concept or tool, I will introduce the tool by bringing a credible and knowledgeable source into the workplace, practice and pilot the tool before full execution, ask for feedback, provide a support group, assign a liaison for the program that can be pulled upon for questions, hold weekly huddles and SLCs or PLCs, commit to the tool and implement with fidelity. Construct a plan for individual roles, and lastly, plan for pitfalls and resolutions. Keeping the spark of inspiration alive within the organization will require bringing in guest speakers, avoiding information overload, providing alignment checks to ensure proper implementation, and individual involvement. Adapting to roles in the learning community will require specialized training, discussion forums, initiating goals and tasks, creating a chart titled Participation Tracker. Ensuring sustainability requires accountability, self-organization centered around core principles, beliefs, as well as shared and mutually created purposes. Keep a focal point for a required task. Some common barriers that can occur are lack of time, the lack of understanding and comprehension, negative perceptions, staff turnover, and the lack of collaboration. Although most of these barriers can be resolved, staff turnovers are unpredictable and cannot be avoided. The other barriers can have a resolution if there is a set infrastructure that will serve as a blueprint to set a plan in place. This concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.